Now session 3, types of operating system: Windows, Linux, DOS. These all are the types of operating system. DOS is also operating system, and Windows and Linux all are the operating system. As the operating system is rather complex software, different operating systems usually emphasize on different things. The different types of operating systems are: बच्चे operating system, what is the meaning of operating system? Operating system is operates all the computer system. Without operating system, computer is useless. Clear? User number 1, time sharing. In operating system you can share your time. It is an extension of multi-programming means you can do more than one program. In this mode, a number of users operate online with the same. बच्चे multi-programming means in this mode a number of users operate online with the same CPU, but each uses different input-output terminals. Suppose we four persons are there. 4 persons can use one computer with the same CPU, but each uses different input-output terminals. That is called time sharing. Time sharing means you can share your time. Many persons, 4, 5, 6, many persons operate online with the same CPU. Number of users operate online with the same CPU, but each uses a different input-output terminal. Next one is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing means more than one process, 2 or more. Multiprocessing occurs when a computer system with 2 or more processors can run more than one program or thread also called program, at a given time by assigning them to different processors. That is called multiprocessors. Number 3, multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system means more than one user. Multi-user is a term that defines an operating system that allows access for multiple users to the computer at the same time. At the same time, multi-users can use computer. Windows and Linux are multi-user operating system. बच्चे in Windows operating system and Linux operating system, in both operating systems, more than one persons means multi-user operating system. More than one persons use computer at the same time. Windows and Linux both are the multi-users operating system. Next one is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. GUI, the graphical user interface, allows user to have direct control of visible objects. Visible objects such as icons and actions that replace complex command syntax. GUI is used by Apple, Macintosh and Windows operating system. Next बच्चे, desktop of Windows and Linux. Desktop of Windows and Linux. This is a desktop. Shortcuts.